Westbury has a helpful tool that makes railing installation jobs easier. We're going to talk to someone who's actually used it and how it saved them time on their project. Paul, what kind of experience do you have installing railing?
Well, over the years, either myself, my own personal projects, or helping friends, that's pretty much where my expertise has come from. And it can be very, very challenging, I'll be honest with you.
And you just recently used the Mount Template from Westbury on a recent project. Tell me how that has changed the installation process for you.
So recently I had a very unique installation with an enormous amount of post and railing. And with this Westbury product, it would give you the exact location based on the mounting height that you would like to have. But more importantly, it would keep the bracket in place right to left, and it also hold the bracket in place as you utilize the manufacturer supplied self-tapping screws. So it didn't have the bracket walking all over the place. So it kept it exact location of where it needed to be. A great time savings, just made the application just so much easier to work with.
That's great. So you would say overall this has saved you quite a bit of time. It obviously made the operations of installing the railing itself like this, we have a sample obviously, made it so much easier. And really the cost of this device is really minimal compared to the overall price of the job.
Yeah, the time savings definitely, but more importantly the accuracy. It just made a better project overall too.